can. Morning, guys. Time for the farmer's market. You guys. Ossie and I went to sleep so late last night. It was like almost 2 a.m. I never do that, but I watched this movie and it just went for so long. It was called The Changeling. What the heck? That is so weird. Some people in New Zealand actually do that. It's illegal here in Australia to have a baby car seat at the front seat. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. I look like a Rastafarian, baby. Whoa! What? Yes, your butt's almost smashed on the wall. Babe, do I look like a Rasta to you? No, look at me. It's definitely not gonna cut it, babe. I'll just hold it like this. How about that? Dude, you can at least pick a song we both know. I woke up at 7:30. It's now 8:45 because just took my time getting ready. Then also you needed to get ready too. Are you trying to tell me something? I actually can't believe how white I've gone growing up. I used to be really dark as a child, I think, in my opinion. And my sisters keep telling me it's because my skin stretched. It got fatter. I'm like, that's a bit rude, sis. Look at your own stretched skin over there. It's still dark.
Let's go.
I like this song.
This song is our more, eh?
Yeah.
When we go around to what? Let's go, let's go.
Also, you dedicated this song to me long time ago.
Yeah, long time ago.
So today,
2 years
I'm
ago.
dedicating it to you.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Come on. Sing it. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're supposed to turn here. It's been a while, okay? I'm a bit rusty on the lyrics. Sing it, boy.
This song's dedicated to me, but I'm singing to you, girl.
Look, excuse for my little voice box there. If I feel like I'm rusty, I say quite kiki.
But my voice is
smooth like you, okay?
My voice is no.
Okay?
Whatever time I wait.
Eh, ingi yung kikala. If ang aloy, oh baby, tambay.
Yeah, this song.
It's dedicated to me, I already know.
Yep. But basta I love ashita sesui ala uva a ele mafai ona fa angalo ina oi. Look at the snow. It's really cold.
It's not snow, baby.
Oi.
So guys, that was our, you know, little that was our little karaoke. Because it's hot.
Oh,
too much breath in here. Look guys, how foggy it is out. You can't really see, but yeah, just know, Canberra is the city of cold weather. I love the cold weather. You get to wear like nice clothes, nice puffy jackets, coats. don't have to sweat your butt cheeks that much. So we just finished at the farmer's market now. Got a whole lot of stuff in my trolley. I spent a lot more than I usually do because I'm completely out of everything. Out of my meats, out of veggies, everything is empty in my fridge. So I had to stock up again. And I'm also so keen to try this one. This is live cultured butter. I can't wait to try it. Cannot wait to try it.
Mr. T.
Mr. T. Mr. T was like the ish back then.
Yeah.
He fell off his game. Fell off the wagon. Now all these new ones are coming out. Nifoloa were like the bomb back in the day, hey. They were the first ones I remember. Did you on the side and just ignore? There are those in need, 100 to feed. We would put yourself on their feet. Hey Georgie boy.
So, we're just coming to have our breakfast.
I want to pull it out there. What for my own young lady? Yeah, that's okay, Lord. We got our food now, guys. I got the club sandwich, chicken schnitzel club sandwich. Also got fish and chips.
Do you guys have
Dad and Mum got fish and chips. Chili sauce? Okay, guys, I just taste the persimmon, and it actually tastes really, really nice. It kind of tastes like a plum, almost, but it was very nice. So that's my little persimmon update. You joking me? Hey guys and gals. So so today, oh, the battery's flashing. Why are you, there we go. There we go, there we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm cringing so bad. We're going to one of our favorite cafes, the cafe we always go to that you see on the vlogs, because my cousins from Brisbane are here. The ones that I saw in Brisbane. And you know what's funny? I've been here for like 2 weeks and I still haven't got all the Brisbane vlogs up. It's been an hour and a half later and I'm still sitting here, just finished editing a vlog. Well, not completely finished, I'm like 80% through. And I just, again, just want to apologize. I mean, I've been uploading one vlog per week, which is like feasible for us, but I'm not sure if it's feasible for you guys. I'm really gonna try and do better. It's just that we have so much going on. I have so much on my plate at the moment. This house that we've been in for 3 years, the owner is selling. So we gotta look for somewhere else. And we were gonna buy it off the owner, but the asking price, the market at the moment is just crazy. I don't know how it is in other states, but in Canberra, like a 2-bedroom house, you'd be paying like 600,000 for it, 600,000 plus, sometimes 5 if you're lucky, but under 4, it's a no deal. My workmates are also looking for houses. They've been going to a lot of auctions, and recently there was a 3-bedroom house which was old. It's not brand new, it was old, like 30 years old, out in one of the older suburbs in Canberra. It went for 800,000. Like, this is the market at the moment in Canberra. I really don't think it's a good time to buy, so we're just gonna move out. I really love this house and I would have loved to have taken it off his hands, but I have a line, I have a threshold, and I'm not gonna pass it, not for a 2-bedroom house. We've been going to inspections, working on that heaps. I've also got a lot going on at work, and it's just crazy at the moment, just crazy. Guys, it's the next day. We're about to go and have lunch with my cousins before they fly back to Brizzy. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got Nell for his birthday. So when they went to Melbourne like a couple months ago, he really wanted this Tommy hat. And he didn't end up getting it, so I went and bought it for him. And I also got him this Tommy jumper. So nice little surprise for you, D-Nell. I'm really loving these persimmons like so much. I've been eating them like crazy. This is like my first kind of time trying it and I absolutely love it. Although I might go for a mandarin because there's too many of those, so gotta eat them down. Hey guys, I'm here with EH, also known as What's your other nickname?
I got 3 nicknames.
Okay, well tell them.
E-dash.
What? I can't hear you.
E-dash.
Yeah, E-smash.
E-dash.
Oh, E-thash.
E-dash.
Oh, E-sash.
E.
Oh, I know what you're saying. E-hash.
No, E-dash.
Okay, E-dash.
Okay. I tricked you 2 times.
Oh, come on, stop tricking me.
It's wheel card.
Wheel card. Wheel card. Hey, wheel card. Can I jump on your wheel cart? Hey, little wheelie willy cart.
I also have one more name, bruh.
Stop calling me a booby holder.
Okay, bruh.
Ew, stop calling me that.
Okay, bruh.
Your other
No.
Ow. I'm definitely not getting you a Nerf gun, and I'm definitely not getting you an electric car.
Fine then.
Too
Let's
late,
go
bro.
scissors, paper, rock.
Fine then. Go, scissors,
I
paper,
don't
rock.
need it.
If I win, you don't get the Nerf gun. If you win, you get the Nerf gun.
We only have 10 rounds.
No, we're not having 10 rounds.
Find out whoever gets the 10 points.
No, we're not doing that. We'll go best of 3. Scissors, paper, rock. Oh. 2-2. This is the last one, Evan. Are you gonna do paper?
I'm gonna do scissors.
Okay. I'm gonna do rock.
Okay.
Scissors, paper, rock.
I won! Yeah! A new game.
Woo, I'm the champion! I am the champion! Eben, you scrunched our ticket! Now we're going to be stuck here forever.
No.
Yes, now we have to sleep here. Look what you did to the ticket.
Sorry.
Come
No,
on.
fine then. No game.
Let's go then, you big baby.
Fine then, let's do one more round here.
No, because I already won. Guys, today's a public holiday, so we're out and about, going around. My hair is kind of like wet. Just had some bone broth. It was so tasty. I mixed both beef and lamb bones in it, and it came out so jelly. So jelly. Obviously it, like, you know, soothes out when you heat it up, but the fact that it became jelly tells me that there's a lot of gelatin in there. Good for my skin, good for my hair, I think, good for my gut. I want to go do my nails, infill them. It's been like 4 weeks, I think. About 4 weeks. Do your seatbelt, Aussie.
Sup?
The next holiday we'll be taking will be to Samoa. So no more holidays for us, right?
Samoa when? 2026.
I feel like too many of us are focusing on the external environment and not focusing enough on the internal. I feel like it's underrated. They should be promoting building your immunity more than, you know, being scared of each other, being scared of the environment, being scared of germs. Build your immune system, the thing that God gave you to fend off all of these diseases, and you'll be right, you'll be set.
So yeah, that's why I'm like that, you know?
What? Are you swimming in the pool? Wale mafaise ai, wale mafaise moe, fieva ai ate oe. Morning guys. It is moving day today. We kept this pretty much under the wraps, but today we're moving out of this house. I'm so sad. I love this house so much. But the owner's selling it, so we took today and tomorrow off from work to pretty much move everything. We got to be out here in 4 days. I'm gonna miss this house so much. So spacious and so perfect. Perfect for us. Guys, I've not picked up the camera all day. Looking like a, oh my gosh, my cheeks are so red. Been doing so many steps. I'm at 8,000 steps. I mean, that might not be much for some, but it's a lot for me, okay? So we've been running around everywhere. This room is pretty much empty. Empty. Really sad. I mean, it was really last minute. Like, my washing machine's gone. Obviously need to clean that up. And my couch is gone. We're gonna We're gonna take our TV now and our bed, possibly that stuff. But my fridge is gone. I'm so sad, guys. I'm so sad. My plant shelf is gone. Tall boy's gone. Clothes are going. But oh my gosh, really, really sad to say goodbye to this house. I'm still dreading so much of this because we have to clean a lot. Hey guys, good evening. Welcome back to another vlog. Now it's been a couple of days. I know we didn't really vlog our move because it was really, really short notice. We were really busy. We did not have time to pick up the camera. We were on our hands and knees scrubbing. Well, I was. Aussie was out on his hands and knees outside weeding, doing all the outside jobs, and it was just a big task. It was just him and I, majority of the time, moving. My parents came over and helped us clean a little bit towards the end, but it was a big job. Like, I was absolutely smoked, spent. And so, but this is our second dinner here in our new house. So I've got spanakopita. I hope I said that right. I think it's a Greek thing. I just got it from Aldi's. Some avo, I just mashed it. Iceberg lettuce. I've got some mince in there. We're just having like a kind of taco kind of thing. Got Aussie boy over there. He's waiting for his game to update. This is our new kitchen, which I'm still trying to get used to. I mean, look at this oven. So we'll be just about done. I'm just waiting for the tortillas to crisp up, and then we'll be eating.